Hi, I'm Anne Kolder.
And I'm Jantien van der Meer.
And we're the Dutch Test Amigas.
Have you ever been in a team that is trying to innovate to improve your way of working, but there are one or two team members you just can't seem to get on board with the changes?
No matter how hard you try, they keep digging their heels and throwing up roadblocks.
It's why I call the yes but type of people.
And we know them well.
Would you like to know how to overcome this resistance? Join our workshop to learn the effects of delaying your judgment on someone's behavior or quality of work. We call this verwonderen.
And resistance comes from a subconscious fear, and we will show you how to recognize this and how to deal with it. And we will teach you how to apply the elephant and the rider model as a tool to positively influence your team.
So come and join our workshop at Eurostar Conference.
Streamed real time right into your home office. Are you ready to engage?